Okay, so I'm gonna go find some quantum inventory in-house. I'm gonna use my laptop and a scanner to go and upgrade it. All right, so let's say I'm a distributor, right? And I have my quantum inventory in-house and I sell it in a dual or tri or quad color state. I don't even have to open the inventory. I can grab a box. This is, for example, a 400 light stick. I'll pull up my quantum software program. You can zoom in a little closer here, right? Click that section, scan the QR code. It populates the part number, submit. And quantum 400 light stick is there, production date and so on. I'll simply click to upgrade it to dual color, select my payment information, submit payment, and I'm done. The bar now is upgraded to a dual color and I can ship it to the customer. I can do this entire lot probably in less than 5 minutes, upgrading every single item. So simple little scanner off Amazon, 30 bucks, and you can easily upgrade your inventory from single to dual, tri, or quad very quickly. So hope that clears up some information in terms of how the whole QR code scanner thing works.